Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix ChatGPT Play Integrity Verification failed. Are you getting a message that says Play Integrity Verification failed when opening ChatGPT? Don't worry, this is usually happens on Android phone and it can be fixed. First, restart your phone. This may sound simple, but it clears small system glitches that can face this error. Turn off your phone, slide right to turn it off, and wait for 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Next, check your internet connection. ChatGPT needs a stable connection to verify your device. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and avoid using weak or public Wi-Fi. Now make sure your phone is not using a VPN. VPN can block Google Play. Instead, check if you have a VPN app. Turn it off completely, then reopen ChatGPT. After that, update the ChatGPT app. Open the App Store on your phone. In the search bar, type ChatGPT and open it. Tap install if update is available. Older version can fail verification. If the problem continues, clear cache from App Store or delete the app and reinstall it. Another thing to check is your phone system update. For that, go to the setting app, tap on general, tap on software update, install if any software update is available. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.